Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna watch a funny animals. And let's start. Oh, oh, whoa, that really hurts, but look, oh, oh, that's, I'm not fat. What does that mean? That's funny. Hey. Oh. Oh. She's scared. For me, I'm not that scared. Only she. She come back. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Hey, why there's a pig in there? Oh. I don't want to touch pigs. Ooh, yuck, yuck. Oh no, that's disgusting. Oh. Why is he looking up? Don't please go. Follow me. You'll be my best friend, okay? Oh! Okay, they make friends. Ah! The bird's catching him! Wait, is that a duck? Yeah, it's a duck! Ah! Oh! So...
Hi, my name is Malik. Good morning. I'm gonna do the animal funny movies. So, Mom, let's get started. Okay, that wasn't funny. What? I'm fat. What does that mean? Yo. A pig. Yeah, I'd like to touch pigs. However,